All right, here's a good question to solve an equations. The trick with this one is you need to get rid of brackets first. So you don't want to move the 2 across or the 14, or you don't want to do anything until you've gotten rid of brackets. This first one on the left is the distributive property, so I need to multiply both terms by that. So it'd be 27x plus 9 times 6 is 54 is equal to, now this bracket on this side is a little tougher because this minus sign out front of a bracket means that everything inside you have to apply that negative sign to both things inside. I typically like to call that a dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative because it tricks students quite often. Okay, so I'm going to leave the 14 alone, and then I'll apply the minus, just like I did the 9 over here. I apply the minus to everything inside. So a minus, and you can actually think of it as a minus 1. So minus 1 times x is a negative 1x. And then a negative 1 times 2 is a negative 2. Now that I've gotten rid of brackets, then I can start collecting like terms. So let's collect the x's on the left side. So I'll have a 27x. If I move this one to the left side, it'll be a positive x. If you want to say add x on this side, add x on that side, you can. Okay, is equal to, and then I have a 14 there already. 14 minus 2, and then this 54 I have to bring over. So I'm going to subtract 54 on each side. So I'll subtract 54 on this side. Okay, 27x plus 1x would be a 28x is equal to 14 take away 2 would be 12. And 12 minus 54. 42, I'm thinking. Is that right? 54 minus 12. Yeah, 42. And it'll be negative 42. So negative 42 is equal to 28x. Now I want to solve for x, so I'm going to have to divide both sides by 28. So I'll divide this side by 28 and this side by 28. So I'll get x is equal to a negative 42 over 28. Now, both those numbers are even, so I can probably simplify. Maybe let me divide by each by 2. So divide by 2, so that would be 21 over 14. And it's still negative. And then, both can be divided by 7. So 7 into 21 goes negative 3. And 7 into 14 goes 2. So that's where I would finish that question at. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.